Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zidan. Here I will explore the internal component of a computer system. Oke, kita akan lanjut slide pertama. Understanding the internal instructor and layout inside computer. Slide selanjutnya. Component that define computer's architecture. The improvement the computer architecture component. Knowing the component of computer architecture is essential for understanding the system and its function. User role in the development, user play and development role in providing feedback for the development of a computer component. Main main characteristics of component. Each component has its one characteristic, the uh, characteristic that affect the overall performance of the computer. Next slide is exploring the motherboard and this function. The main function of the motherboard in the system. The motherboard is the center connection of a component is the computer. The interaction between user the motherboard. User can influence performance by selection the appro- appropriate motherboard. Integrated components. The motherboard integrate various important components such as CPU, RAM, and expression slots. The less improvement in the motherboard. In invention in the motherboard continues to evolve the support the less technology. Next slide is the role of the CPU in computer performance. The role of the CPU in data processing. CPU is the brain of the computer that process in interaction and data. User impact on performance. User can improve performance by selection a faster CPU. CPU and motherboard compatibility, compatibility when choosing a CPU, you must pay attention to compatibility with the motherboard being used. Development of CPU technology. CPU technology continues the evolve to interest processing speed and efficiency. Next slide is compu- computer uh, computer architecture components. This grab grab graphic card and tier impact on visual 85%. The effect of RAM on computer speed 70%. The role of GPU in computer performance is 90%. Exploring the motherboard and its function 80%. Component the define computer architecture 75%. This analysis of improvement component is computer performance. Next slide is to identify the essential hardware component of a for optimal functional functionality. Next slide. Key hardware element for a computer operation. The improvements of computer components, understanding how each component contributes to the overall performance of a computer system. The role, the role of the user in component selection. User have an important role in selection the appropriate, appropriate component for their needs. Component quality affects performance. Hardware quality greatly influences the speed and efficiency of computer work. Next slide is understanding RAM and its performance in computing. Computing. RAM and system speed. RAM function as temporary storage. The interest the speed of the data accessed on the computer. The relationship, uh, the relationship between RAM and user. User must understand the RAM as capacity required for the app application use. The main function of RAM in operation RAM play an play an important role ruling application and multitasking process efficiency. Next slide. Graphic card the their impact on performance. Graphic and visualization card. Graphic card serve to improve visual quality and prove a better gaming experience. The role of user choosing a graphic card, you need the consider graphic card specification coding the gaming of or design it. Graphic performance versus CPU. Graphic card information must be balanced with the CPU so that is the does not become a bottleneck. Next is type of graphic card available. 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 Sorry guys. There are various types of graphic card range from integrated on to those special for gaming. Next slide is the influence of hardware element on computer performance. Main component main component is 75% RAM and is importance 85% graphic cards 90% computer performance 85 80 perform 80% 80% daily use 7 7 7 70 70% is the impact of the hardware element.